महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन सिनियर पुलिशे बरोबर पर्वरे कोकेरो सर्कलाकडेन जावपी ट्राफिकाच्या संदर्भात खासा बसका घेतली। ह्या बसकेत विविध मुद्द्यांचेर चर्चा जाली। तशेंच येरादारीची जी गर्दी कोकेरो जंक्शना कडेन जाता ताचेर उपाय काडपाचेर ह्या बसकेंत भासाभास जाली। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान कॅन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
Regarding the issue of the Kokero circle opening and the traffic congestion which is faced at the Kokero junction, mainly Makayasta Porvari, we started with the traffic signals to decongest the traffic, which was connecting north to the capital city. And Tajagadir last few years, the number of congestions which were happening, we were able to sort out by getting traffic signals in place. Traffic signals geta astana at every location from Porvorim Bazaar along the National Highway up to Mandovi Circle, including Kokero Junction and the Holy Family Junction and the Devashri Junction, was taken into account. And synchronized signals were put in place. Now there were various demands from the residents from both the sides that crossing was becoming a problem and there was continuous jams which were happening at the Holy Family and Kokero. So there was a meeting held where we had a opening of the Kokero Junction on a trial basis for a month, wherein inputs from National Highway, inputs from traffic, inputs from DGP were sought. And ताजेर कितें changes जाला करून how we can channelize and improvise this particular area was being examined. Basically circulation वाढचे आणि traffic decongest करून we are still able to have channelized traffic was what the thought was. But yes, and tourist season जाल्ल्यान आणि traffic वाडिल्ल्यान there have been lot of traffic jams which have been noticed in that. ताज्या खातीर आज रिव्यू मागिल्ली along with DGP, SP Traffic, DYSP Traffic, National Highwayचो SE, AE, PWD Division 13चे, the person Mr. Jain who has come with the traffic signals and some residences of this particular area to have an interactive mode and come back to it. I think our DGP will summarize on the list of events that what we have taken. हांव एकूच म्हणपी की हे event आता परत समज आमी we are looking at it, the first decision is taken is to close the thing and revert back to the old ways of closing the junction as it was.
And this is a very critical junction, honestly, let me tell you. अभी तो peak traffic tourist season का नहीं है, and we are into summer, but this signal is very important from the tourist point of view, from the highway traffic point of view, from the presence of the secretariat, presence of the so many things. So this is the right time we have taken this trial also. We could not have done the trial in any other month also. So this is the right time for the trial. Trial has been done. We have got a lot of insight. So all that thing will be done before the next tourist season, and we will all be ready, I'm sure, with all the new improvements. And Honorable Minister has already given a time frame to all the agencies, and very soon we will have, with our guidance of our Honorable Minister, we will be able to give a lot of improvements in this section, and which will be beneficial for both the traffic on the highway and as well as the people living in both the sides of the corridor.